Well, I hope you enjoyed that little song. It kind of gets stuck in my head, I know. So this slide kind of summarizes what we've known about an atom over time. So I think it should start with Democritus, but it doesn't. It starts with actually Dalton in 1803, kind of, I don't know if he revived the concept of an atom, but he actually came up with a set of kind of postulates. I don't know if that's the word I want, but kind of a set of conditions of what an atom is and what an atom is not. We call that Dalton's atomic theory. Now, it was not until 1904, which is not that long ago, that actually Rutherford, doing some experiments, you can kind of see from this picture that now we have pluses and minuses. But Thomson actually, and I think it's called the plum pudding model, he said that atoms, that matter is made up of atoms, he said, and we have positive and negative charges, but they're all just kind of thrown together. And then it's kind of neat. If you're a picture person, you can already kind of see what's different now with Rutherford. It's just 7 years later, is that he has kind of the chewy center. You can kind of see the dark purple, that's the nucleus. And then the light purple is where the electrons are, electron cloud. So he said, like, dude, okay, that's fine. We have atoms are made up of little particles that are positively and negatively charged, but they are organized into a nucleus where we have the protons and neutrons. I think Rutherford knew that. And the electrons are in a cloud outside the nucleus. And then we have, and we'll be talking more about this because this was these are all important. Isn't science wonderful how scientists kind of build on each other? So another important thing was these little orbs right here actually are electrons. That Bohr said electrons aren't just random willy-nilly. They're actually, electrons are very organized. And we'll talk a little bit in this class about how electrons are organized. But they are organized in energy shells or levels. Energy, and later on, in my other chemistry class, we call those actually electron orbitals. But the electrons are in certain regions with certain energies outside the nucleus. And then actually we have Schrodinger, who actually said the electron, or the electron cloud where the electrons are hanging out is quantifiable, and I think the video said he used lots of calculus to kind of say the region of space where the electrons are going to be at these different energy levels.